Yes, dear children, welcome back. We are going to see yesterday somewhere we have left. That is, it was creating a confusion and how this confusion can be solved. Okay, I have left you to think over this sum. So, if a train leaves Mumbai at 10:15 at night and reaches Nagpur at 1:40 the next afternoon, how long does the journey take? Okay, so where we have to see the time duration of that journey. So let's see here. 10:15, the train leaves at 10:15 p.m. Suppose this is today's date, that is 2022, correct, 1 and 21 today's date, and train reaches at 12, that is till 12 o'clock. This becomes your, how much time? Today's time is 1 hour 45 minutes. 1 hour 45 minutes. Your journey is there on which day? 22 1 21. Train reaches at what time? It reaches there at Nagpur, that is 1:40 p.m. Okay, that is you are reaching in Nagpur on 23rd 1. Okay, the next day you are reaching. So 1:40 is not the 1 hour 40 minutes. It is how many hours have passed for the day when it is PM. How many hours have passed? We have to add 12. Okay, to this. So how many hours have passed? 13 hours 40 minutes. So 13 hours 40 minutes you are there in the train on 23rd, and 1 hour 45 minutes you are there in the train on 22nd. How long is the journey? So naturally we have to add these two time. Both the timings we have to add. So let's add, that is 13 hours 40 minutes plus 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay, together is the time, that is the total duration of your journey. So how much it is? 14 hours 85 minutes. Okay, now in 85 there is 1 hour has already passed. So what you will do? We will minus this 1 hour as 60 minutes. You cannot minus 1 year. You have to minus 60 minutes from here, because this is minutes column. Okay, 60 minutes if you minus from here you have to add 1 hour. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So if you minus 60 minutes from here, because already 1 hour has completed here, so we have to convert that 60 minutes from here and take it 1 hour. So 85 minus 60 is 25 minutes, and 14 plus 1 is 15 hours. So our journey from Mumbai to Nagpur is of 15 hours 25 minutes. Okay, understood? So this way is the solution of your sum. So you require to know how many hours have passed. Okay, if the time is in PM, if the time is in AM, so all these things you require to know, and easy calculation we have to do it. Okay, so let's see the further part of from your textbook. Today I have asked you to solve problem set 44. The time below is given by 12 hours. Write the same by 24-hour clock. So 30 minutes past 10 in the morning. So it is 10:30 in the morning. So already 10 hours have passed and 30 minutes. So it will become 10:30 only in 12-hour clock. 10 hours 30 minutes. No need to write AM and PM. 10 minutes past 8 in the morning. So it is 8 o'clock 10 minutes, or 8 hours 10 minutes have passed. So it is 8:10. 8 o'clock 10 minutes. 20 minutes past 1 in the afternoon. So it is 1 hour 20 minutes or 1 o'clock 20 p.m. 1:20 p.m. but you have to convert this time in 24-hour clock pattern. So what you will do? You will add 12 to 1, so it will become 13 hours. 13 hours 20 minutes. 13 20. 5 in the evening. 40 minutes past 5 in the evening. So it is not 5 hours past. How many hours have passed for the day? It is 12 plus 5, that is 17 hours 40 minutes have passed for that whole day. See, conversion of this time already I have written here. So 9:10 a.m. match it, that is 9:10 a.m. in 24. 9:10 only, no need to write am and pm for 24-hour clock. 2:10 p.m. so add 12 to 2, what you will get? 14:10 o'clock. 5:25 p.m. add 12 to 5, you will get 17:25. 17:25. 11:10 p.m. add 12 to 11, you will get 23. 23 hours 10 minutes. 7:25 a.m. am morning it is, so 7 hours have passed already, so no need to convert this time, it is am. How many hours have passed for the day? 7 hours 25 minutes. So here also it will remain 7 hours 25 minutes. Okay, next sum. Here you see examples of time measurement. If Abdul started working on computer at 11 in the morning and finished his work at 3:30 in the afternoon, how long did he work? We can make like yesterday how we did from 10:15 to 11, 10:15 to 11:15, 11:15 to 12:15, 12:15 to 1:15, then again 1:15 to 2:15, 2:15 to 3. We cannot do this way. This becomes very long procedure, lengthy procedure for calculation of the time. Okay, so here is they have given from 11 o'clock to 12 o'clock, it is 1 hour, and from 12 noon to 3:30 it is 3 hours 30 minutes. So together how much it makes? 4 hours 30 minutes. So this procedure will become lengthy. So let's convert the time. According to 24-hour clock pattern, 11 o'clock in the morning will remain 11 only. Okay, and 3:30 in the afternoon. 3:30 in the afternoon will become 12 plus 3, it will become 15. 15:30. 15:30. So from 11 o'clock, to 15:30, how much is the difference? Difference in this time. How much hours have taken for his work? How long he worked? That is 4 hours 30 minutes. You have to minus difference, you have to find. Okay, so Abdul worked for a total of 4 hours 30 minutes or 4.5 hours. So we'll solve how to do the addition and subtraction and how to convert the time, that we will see. We have to see the problem set 45 from your textbook. Okay, we have to add the following: 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 55 minutes. We will learn to add the time. Okay, this time to add the time is not like your usual addition. So we will write down the question, problem set 45, add the following. Okay, we'll write down the question here. First question is 2 hours 30 minutes plus 4 hours 55 minutes. Okay, so it is this way we have to write down, and then we have to arrange this addition in hours and minutes. You must have learned hours and minutes. We have to make the column like that, and in hours you will write hours, and in minutes you will write this. Arrange this. So how you will write? 2 hours 30 minutes and 4 hours 55 minutes. We have to add this. So now let's see the addition. 0 plus 5 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8, that is 85 minutes. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now in 85 minutes already 1 hour has passed. Okay, so how many minutes have passed here for making 1 hour? That is 60 minutes. So we have to take out 1 hour from here. So we will minus here and we will add 1 hour here. Okay, 1 hour has passed here. So this 1 hour will get convert. Naturally 60 minutes you have to minus from here. So we will minus this. So 85 minus 60, that will become 25, and 6 plus 1 will become 7. So answer is 7 hours 25 minutes. Got? So your problem set first, that is first sum you have seen how to solve. Let's see the second sum. Second sum is 3 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours 20 minutes. Arrange like usual, hours and minutes. Okay, so 3 hours 50 minutes and 4 hours 20 minutes. We have to add. Okay, adding this 50 plus 20, we get 70. Okay, even though it is in hundreds, this number comes in hundreds, you will write here only, you will not carry here 1. Okay, so leave it here. This addition separate and this addition is separate. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Now in 70 minutes, we have 1 hour passed, that is 60 minutes you have to minus to make it 1 hour. So you have to add 1 hour here and minus 60 minutes from here. So it is becoming 10 minutes and it is 8 hours. So your answer is 8 hours 10 minutes. Okay, so how much is the time? That is 3 hours 50 minutes plus 4 hours 20 minutes together makes 8 hours 10 minutes. You are supposed to solve other two sums, okay, in your CW book. You are supposed to solve other two sums in your CW book, that is the third one and the fourth one. Subtraction we will learn tomorrow, okay, as well as you have to complete your CW book. This problem set 44 also you will solve it in your CW book. Okay, take care.